Why build when you can move right into a home that's ready for you and is less than 6 years old? This ranch was quality built by Majestic Homes in 2018 and still is just as lovely now as it was then. This open concept home features a 3-car finished garage, 3 bedrooms, and 2 full baths, plus a den that can be used as a flex space to suit your needs. The floor plan was well thought out with an effortless flow. The brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring and large tiled shower are 2 boxes that you can check off your wish list. As you think about the warmer weather coming up, you'll love taking walks on the walking path and enjoying the picturesque view of the pond. You can even stop to fish. When you get back home, rest on your covered front porch and gaze at your lush green lawn with beautiful upkeep thanks to the front yard irrigation system. Situated on almost a half-acre lot, there's plenty of room for all outdoor activities as well as for pets and children to play. There's even time remaining on the 10-year RWC New Construction Warranty that can be transferred to the new homeowners. What are you waiting for? If you're picturing yourself in this amazing home, call Ginger Miller to take your personal tour today.